Okay, just got the universal bike mount for your phone holder onto a handlebar. So let's open it up and see what we have in here. Ordered it on Amazon. It came in, I think I got it next day. Again, that's going to depend on where you live. There's 2 packages inside the box. It has just brief instructions right here on the box. Small box, eco-friendly. 2 pieces. Typical, you're going to have to undo this nut. And then snap those together. But put the nut there. Snap those together and then make sure that you thread that on properly. And then tight. I leave it loose until I get it adjusted. Very hard plastic, feels solid. This spreads open to fit to your device. It's pretty heavy spring to hold your device. And then you have 4 corners. This rubber band will go over each corner of your phone. And it will hold it, lock it into place. It won't bounce out. Just those alone, in my experience, are going to be enough. And then you have this here. It allows you to turn your phone if you're using it for navigation. Sometimes on your mountain bike, like I do, I'll use it for trail navigation. It's nicer to have a landscape mode, but you can do both depending on your preference. And then it has 3 adjustable thickness to go around different thickness tubes, and then you have a pretty long screw there. So I don't know what it recommends, but I'm going to say you could probably go around at least a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch tube, maybe even larger. Great thing is this comes with the rubber boots on here, so when you do put it on something, 2 things it serves is for vibration, and then it serves for grip, so it won't move or slide when you put it on. So real quick, I'm going to mount this on my mountain bike that's right here, and I'm just going to show you. So on the handlebar, I want mine right here. I'm going to lock that in to where I think it's going to be comfortable. Go a little bit more and get a little tighter. Okay. Put the screw in, thread it down. I like this because I can squeeze this with my hand and I'm not actually using the screw to tighten it. The screw will just hold it in place. I really like that feature. And then the screw, the excess screw is actually tucked under, so it's not going to stab you in the knee or catch any of your gear. So I'm tightening it down. I have it locked in here. I have it on the second one. And then I'm going to position this however I feel that I want it. I have a iPhone 11 Max Pro. By the way, none of this is sponsored. I bought all this with my own money. So now I'm going to put the ears over the corners. Pull that one over the corner, and I actually have a thin case over my phone. I did not remove my case to put this on, so even with my thin case, it fits right over there. All right, so that's on. As you can see, it's not taking up much of my screen. It's not interfering with any of it. I can't even see. It's attached on there. I have the side clamps over there. These little clamps have little lips on there to catch your phone, so it's not going to go anywhere. So I mean, it ain't coming out, it ain't going anywhere. And then I'm just going to tighten it down to where I feel like I want it to see it. And then if you look, it's not really sticking out too far. It's not much different than my light or the reflector or the handlebars. I could probably even turn it and tuck it away even more. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. You can't even tell. So if I did crash, this is not likely going to be hit by anything. Very solid plastic. You can put it like this. I could turn it this way for navigation. I like it like that. And it doesn't stick up that far. I think it's perfect like that. Overall, I have a couple of these bike mounts. I paid a lot of money. I'm gonna say for the value of the universal bike mount, I'm gonna say for the value and the quality, I give this a thumbs up, and I'm gonna rate it a 5-star. I will take it out and use it, but so far I feel that it's very durable. It's not gonna move around. I've seen some where on a very rocky trail it vibrates and loosens up and falls down, and you're constantly messing with it. And you know, who wants to do that when you're trying to ride a mountain bike? As you can tell by my bike, it's probably I do some off-road mountain biking. Nothing crazy, I don't go crazy, but universal bike mount, 5 stars, Amazon. I would get it again, and I would recommend it. So here is the universal bike mount mounted on the bike. I'm actually just riding around the neighborhood just to try it out. I have some speed bumps, and I'm actually holding a camera, so not going to get too crazy, but just wanted to show you the positioning of it, where I have it. You can mount it in different locations depending on your bike. That's why it's the universal bike mount.